Hey, what's going on, guys? Finn, and today I'm going to tell you how to add more RAM to your Minecraft. No, wrong video. Add more RAM to your computer using a memory stick, a flash drive, or whatever. The first thing you do is plug in your memory stick, which I have already done. Just want to go. Oh, yeah, that doesn't work for me. Dude, fuck. God damn. Computer, here it is, a memory stick. Let's just select computer. Wrong way. See this? See it? This is just I have 3 less gigs of RAM. About 3 less gigs of space. That's because 3 gigs is going into RAM. So the way you want it is you want to right click, go into properties. Let's get there in the middle. And now you have this up. You want to go to no. I'm just having a look at this. No, you don't worry. Get Ready Boost. Now that's if you don't want to use it all. That's if you want to use all of your thing to dedicate it to RAM. In this, use this device as you choose. So I've chosen 3 gigs. So that's 3 gigs. It's okay, and apply. I'm not going to do that because I've already have. And that's really all you have to see. There's nothing really else. That's it. Anyway, guys, if you like that, I want you to slap that lovely like button with your face. And if you don't, I'll take a picture and kill you in your sleep. Anyway, guys, you better do that and have a good day, everybody.